Let's delve into 4 behaviors that can lead people to lose respect for you. These aren't just minor flaws. They have the potential to seriously harm your reputation and damage your relationships, be it with friends, family, or colleagues. We'll dissect these 4 behaviors through the lens of Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that provides timeless guidance for leading a virtuous and content life. Stoicism isn't merely about enduring hardships. It's about attaining inner tranquility, upholding honesty and fairness, and fortifying our mental and emotional resilience. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey. You might think, well, everyone has their flaws, and that's true. But these behaviors we're about to explore are particularly harmful because they affect how we interact with others. They can swiftly sour promising friendships or work connections. As Epictetus wisely said, practice yourself, for heaven's sake, in little things, and thence proceed to greater. Through the examination of these habits, we can refine ourselves and progress towards greater virtue. Let's delve into the first habit. 1. Don't gossip. Gossiping is like spreading rumors or talking about other people behind their backs. It's not something Stoics would do because it goes against their philosophy of focusing on improving oneself rather than tearing others down. Marcus Aurelius, one of the most famous Stoic philosophers, once wrote in his Meditations, "The best revenge is not to be like your enemy." This means that instead of stooping to the level of those we dislike by spreading gossip or rumors about them, we should rise above it and focus on being better ourselves. Seneca, another Stoic philosopher, also had wise words about gossip. He said, "We should every night call ourselves to an account. What infirmity have I mastered today? What passions opposed? What temptation resisted? What virtue acquired?" This reminds us that we should reflect on our actions every day and strive to overcome our weaknesses and cultivate virtues. Gossiping doesn't help us grow as individuals. It only brings negativity and harm to others. 2. Be reliable. Reliability is a cornerstone of Stoic ethics, reflecting the virtue of integrity. When we make commitments, whether to ourselves or others, we should honor them with unwavering consistency. Epictetus teaches us that true wealth lies not in material possessions, but in having few desires and being content with what we have. Being reliable means fulfilling our obligations without seeking praise or recognition. Stoics understand that life is inherently uncertain, but our character and integrity are within our control. By being reliable, we demonstrate respect for ourselves and others, fostering trust and goodwill. Reliability is a reflection of our commitment to living a virtuous life, guided by reason and moral excellence. 3. Listen before you speak. Listening attentively before speaking is a practice rooted in Stoic principles of humility, empathy, and self-discipline. Epictetus reminds us that nature has given us 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason, to listen twice as much as we speak. Interrupting others demonstrates arrogance and a lack of regard for their thoughts and feelings. Stoics believe in the importance of cultivating inner tranquility and fostering harmonious relationships with others. Listening with empathy allows us to understand different perspectives and engage in meaningful dialogue. It is a reflection of our commitment to virtue and our willingness to learn from others. 4. Stop complaining. Complaining is antithetical to Stoic philosophy, which teaches us to accept the things we cannot change and focus on what is within our control. Seneca reminds us that constant complaining drains our energy and detracts from our ability to live a fulfilling life. Stoics advocate for practicing gratitude and resilience in the face of adversity. Instead of complaining, Stoics encourage us to focus on finding solutions and adapting to circumstances with grace and fortitude. Complaining reflects a mindset of victimhood and entitlement, whereas Stoicism emphasizes taking responsibility for our thoughts and actions. By cultivating a positive mindset and embracing life's challenges, we can live with greater purpose and inner peace. In conclusion, by recognizing and overcoming these habits of gossiping, being unreliable, interrupting, and complaining constantly. We can build stronger, more respectful relationships with the people around us. Remember, respect is a two-way street. By treating others with respect, we earn their respect in return. Let's all strive to create a world where communication is honest, listening is valued, and positivity prevails.